Xtreme1 tutorials. Install Xtreme1 in Docker image. Find Xtreme1 repository on GitHub. There are two installation methods. Install in Docker image. Or you can build and install from source code. In this video, you will learn how to install in Docker image. Step 1. Download the zip file. The local environment needs to meet the requirement in README doc. If you want to install built-in models as well, all systems need to be installed on a Linux server with NVIDIA graphics card. Step 2. Unzip the file. Open command prompt. Change direction to that path. Copy and paste Docker Compose up. You can find it in README document. Before this, you need to make sure that the local installation has been completed. If is not installed. This is Docker desktop interface. Execute this line. Start downloading now. It takes about 3 minutes. If it's completed, in Docker interface, there will be 6 images displayed here, waiting for the installation. A few minutes later, all 6 images have been installed. They are Backend, Frontend, Jinx, MySQL, Minio, Redis. Make sure all the images are running. So we're done with the installation. Copy the link and visit it in the browser. Just register and log in, you can start your dataset journey. Click Dataset. There is a 2D and 3D Fusion demo dataset you can use. Feel free to play on it. That's all for Xtreme1 installation in Docker. In the next episode, you can learn main features of 2D and 3D Fusion annotation tool. Welcome to join our community to discuss more about products and ask questions. Star our GitHub repo to support us.